Welcome everyone, it's Gray Shirt Guy, rocking the gray shirt as always. Back for some more Magic unboxing. I got myself a box of Shadows over Innistrad. This is the fourth box of Shadows over Innistrad I've ever unboxed on this channel. And yeah, get yourselves a sealed box here. Let's get crack into it. There's not a ton of value in the Shadows over Innistrad box, but there are cards in here that I've never opened, and I would like to see if I can try to get them. So we're just gonna focus on the rares. It's gonna be a quick video today. Rares, foils, look at the flip cards, and yeah. So we'll see what we get. I'm trying to get into Nahiri because I never got into Nahiri when I opened him last time. So hopefully we get lucky. And hold on, I was getting ready to paint some Space Marines, so I gotta move those Marines out of the way. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, so our first rare is Thalia's Lieutenant. That's a couple dollars, I think. Let's set that right here. So we got Thalia's Lieutenant, Apparent Researcher, and a foil root out. All right. Let me move this light over there. All right, so we got, yeah, we'll just put the flip cards with those. And then we'll put our rares and our clue tokens. All right, let's see what we got in this one. Oh, we got another foil. Oh, we got a foil rare. Oh, this is a pretty sweet pack, actually. We got Invocation of Saint Trife, which I don't think is worth much. But, all right, there's a rare. We got our flip card, and then we got a foil Fevered Visions. That's pretty sweet. It's probably not worth a lot, but I think somebody out there definitely want to get a hold of foiled Fevered Visions. It's not bad. And we got a Forest and Clue tokens. Okay, so that's our rares. All right, so we got Deathcap Cultivator, Human Druid, taps for red or black, and has Delirium. And Town Gossiper, which I forget becomes Incited Rabble. All right, pretty standard pack right there. Nothing too fancy. What do we get here? Okay, so we got uncommon. Oh, for a second Sanctuary, all right. Epitome of the Drownyard and a Thraben Gargoyle. Okay, let's put those in there, then there. There we go. Okay, yeah, modern cards feel way different than like the Odyssey cards. We got Triskaidekaphobia. I had a friend of mine who loved Triskaidekaphobia. He was super trying to get the combo to work all the time. Yeah. It was weird because he wouldn't play any other combos. We got Devil's Playgrounds and Solitary Hunter. All right. That's a lands. Okay, so what's Devil's Playground? Put 4 1/1 red devil creature tokens on the battlefield. They have one. This creature dies, deal 1 damage to target creature or player. Oh, all right. That's good if you're trying to go like red tokens, I guess. It's pretty expensive though. Oh, Sigarda, Huron's Grace. There you go. Nice mythic for you. It's not the one we were looking for. Oh, Thing of the Ice. There we go. That's a winner right there. Awaken Horror. Thing of the Ice is, I believe, the most expensive card in the pack. So yeah, a little good 16 bucks, I think. I don't know what TCG player is going to say, but yeah, Thing of the Ice, nice. That is, okay, this box is looking up already. All right, we got Eerie Interlude. Okay. We got a Hinterland Logger and a Spirit Token. I think I drafted Shadows once. It's been a while. Silver Fur Partisan and an Arsonist. Ooh, nice swamp. Traverse the Underwhelmed, or Ulvenwald. Yeah, Ulvenwald, yeah. A little Solitary Hunter action going on there. All right. Tamio's Journal. Avacyn, Archangel Avacyn. Nice. Little surprise there in the end of the pack. Sweet. Avacyn Purifier. I should make a Boros deck with this. That'd be nice. Second Mythic? Alright, not bad. Not a bad Mythic. Oh, we got another Mythic. Gareth's Masterpiece, Zombie Horror. I don't think this is worth a lot, but oh, pretty good. Oh, we got a foil. Oh, is this a foil flip? No, it's not. It's a Uvenwald Mysteries foil. But yeah, Kindly Stranger, Demonic Possessed Witch. Yeah, that's pretty interesting looking. All right, that's just an uncommon. But yeah, we got a Gareth's Masterpiece flying. Gets -1/-1 for each card in your hand. Discard 3 cards. Return it from the graveyard to the battlefield tapped. All right. This looks pretty cool. I don't know. I have to look to see if that might not be in my zombie deck, but there's probably better zombies. Ooh, Audric, Lunarch Marshal. I always love Audric. He is useful. And we got a Autumn Gloom. It's pretty nice artwork. Zoom in just, there we go. Yeah, well, that'd be good. Actually, nah. There we go. All right. But yeah, Lunarch Marshal. Beginning of each combat, creatures you control gain first strike. Until end of turn, if a creature you control has first strike, and does the same thing for flying, death touch, and all these other keyword abilities. So basically, if you have one creature with a keyword, it gives all the other creatures with a keyword, which can or cannot be. Most time it's to your benefit, but hell yeah! Anguish Unmaking, very nice. I could always use more removal, and this works good in. Was it Mardu? This works good in anything that uses white and black. So 5 color, this is good. Yeah. Doesn't take care of lands, but it's an instant speed. Yeah, that's a solid winner right there. Oh, that's a pretty nice plains actually. Nice. Shadows over Innistrad. Giving me the win. This is a good box. Conform, is it confirm? Confirm suspicions. Counter target spell, investigate 3 times. All right. And then Heir of Falcon Wrath becomes Heir of to the Night, or not of, it's just Heir to the Night. All right, a little Human Cleric. Are we gonna get into here? I don't know. I know that I'm gonna get a whole bunch of bulk I have to sort through. Engulf the Shore. Daring Sleuth. I think I use Engulf the Shore in. I don't know if I use my Leviathan deck or not. Markov Dread Knight. Oh, Vampire Knight. Flying, discard a card, put 2/1/1 counters on the Dread Knight, and we have an uninvited guest, a foil Hope Against Hope, and a clue token. It's a not a bad foil. The whole card's foil though. Not as cool as the Odyssey foils I was looking at. All right. So we got Declaration of Stone. And was it Kessig Forge Master, a spirit token. All right. One moment. Here we go. Just had to turn my ringer off. Slayer's Plate. Slayer's Plate's actually pretty cool. And then we have Kindly Stranger and a foil Alms of the Vein. You got yourself Second Harvest. Not bad, not bad. Second Harvest is pretty sweet. A Cursed Witch. Ah, there we go. Westvale Abbey. Nice. I always like when we get a rare and a rare flip card. Those are good. I have, that's first like the 3rd or 4th Westvale Abbey I've owned. I really like it. Scourge Wolf, man. Little budget, nothing. All right, and we have Uninvited Guest. We have a rare Asylum Visitor, a Pious Evangel for a flip card, which goes into the Wayward Disciple, and we have a Village Messenger foil. All right. We're over halfway through the box now. Is Nahiri gonna make an appearance? I don't know. We got a Choked Estuary. All right, there you go. And we have a Forge Master and a Foil Mountain. That's a nice, all right, like the foil lands. Never against a foil land. Choked Estuary. Yep. Corrupted Graphstone and an Abhorrent Researcher. Not bad. Oh, I slipped right through it. There we go. We got her. Oh man, 4 boxes and I finally got a Nahiri. That is nice. Oh, I got a Sage of Ancient Lore for my flip rare. Nice. I got a couple of Sages though, so. All right, let's take a minute. Let's read what Nahiri the Harbinger does. She's looking nice, a little pale though. Planeswalker Nahiri, 4 loyalty for 4 mana cost. +2, you may discard a card if you do draw a card. So you're, what is that, looting or rummaging? I can't remember. I think it's rummaging. It could be looting. Anyways. And it's a May, so you don't have to do it. You just be like, I'm going to +2 her, but I'm not going to discard a card. I'm just going to +2 her. All right, -2. Exile target enchantment, tapped artifact, or tapped creature. The tapped artifact could be a thing. Or -8, search your library for an artifact or creature card, then put it on the battlefield and check your library. It gains haste. Return to your hand at the beginning of the next end step. So you're like, boom, attack. Oh, and play it again the next turn. There you go. That's pretty nice. Definitely like the Harbinger. I gotta find a Boros deck to put her in. I'll have to look her up. Maybe she fits into a Boros deck I already have. That is exactly what we were looking for. Not the most value. I mean, we did get Thing of the Ice, which is the most valuable card. But I am pretty stoked about that. Oh, I got some Game Trail action. That's nice. Well, I always like the dual lands. And Neglected Heirloom, and we got an emblem. This is a great box. I got a very good deal too. Still got it below market price, so nice. Harness the Storm. Oh, Harness the Storm is actually really nice if you can build the right deck for it. I have a not EDH. I have a non-EDH deck that uses this, and it's pretty nice. And we got Cryptolith Rite. I definitely like Cryptolith Rite in pretty much any green deck, or any deck that has green. And creatures. I definitely like Cryptolith Rite. Always good to have more. Never a bad thing. We got a Swamp, little devil token going on there. All right, we got about like 8 packs left, I think. What are we gonna pull? Well, we got a rare. Soul Swallower. Meh. Soul Swallower is not that cool. Oh, and islands. Oh, clue token. So we got islands, clue token. I'm probably putting some lands in the wrong stack, but that's fine. I think basic lands are a little rarer in this set, at least per pack. You didn't get as many. Ever After, we got a foil. What's Ever After? I forget what it does. Look at a little Amonkhet action going on there, but this is before Amonkhet. Return up to 2 target creatures. Cards from your graveyard to the battlefield. Each of those creatures is a black zombie in addition to its other colors and types. Put Ever After the bottom. Oh, so it's a 6 cost sorcery, but it could be pretty useful. All right, we got a foil. I was hoping this was like a foil Startled Awake. That'd have been sweet. I think we already got a foil rare though. Yeah, Compelling Deterrence. Okay. Whoa, Tireless Tracker. There we go. There's some value in near the end of the box. Tireless Tracker's pretty sweet. Human Scout, whenever land enters battlefield you control, investigates. And whenever you sacrifice a clue, put a 1/1 counter. There you go. So you don't even have to, you can just, sacrifice the clue to sacrifice it for whatever. We got a clue token and a mountain. All right, these packs are stiff. They've been sitting in the box. Ooh, we got Mind Rack Demon. All right, okay. And a foil, what is this? Lamplighter of Shelfhoff. And we got our Skin Invasion, which becomes a Skin Shredder. It's creepy. But yeah, Mind Rack Demon. Creature, demon, flying, trample, and enters battlefield. Put the top 4 cards of your library into your graveyard. If you have Delirium, which is 4 cards of a different type, I Yes, 4 cards that are different types. At the beginning of your upkeep, you lose 4 life unless there are 4 or more card types among cards in your graveyard. So it could be bad, but it's a 4/5 for 4. So it's got flying and trample. And it lets you put things in your graveyard. So could be good, could be bad. Depends on how your deck's built. It's cool art though. Port Town. There you go. A little dual land action. Nice. That's a creepy though. Oh, these are all ghosts. I don't want to go to that Port Town. A haunting fog known as the Nebel gas shrouds the cities along Nephalia's coast. All right, and we got a Lambholt's Pacifist and a Clue token. All right, 3 packs left. I don't think there's anything else I'm looking for. Now they got Nahiri. Well, Sorin would be pretty cool, but 2 Planeswalkers in 1 box? I don't know about that. Oh, we got a Diagraph Colossus, Zombie Giant. All right, okay. Sweet little... yeah. I believe he is actually in my zombie deck. Check the zombie deck list that I posted a couple weeks back. It's on there. It's in there. Always watching and always giving me value. It might not be worth a lot, but I like always watching. Pretty good if you're playing creatures that aren't a lot of tokens. There you go. Give you that vigilance. All right, last pack. I believe this box has been pretty good. We'll find out in a moment if it's been really valuable. What do we got? Little close. What are we getting? Little inexorable ooze. All right. Well, you know, nothing bad there. Well, I'm going to run all the rares and the foils through the TCG Player app, and we'll find out here in a second how much it's worth. Be right back. All right, as you can see, for all the rares and foils, we got $67.84, which for a set that's been out of print for several years from 2016, not bad. That's actually not a bad value. That's pretty much close to the value of the boxes we opened a couple weeks ago from, where was it? Guilds of Ravnica. So yeah, the value of the cards in Shadows over Innistrad, at least if you get certain specific cards, not bad. And I mean, obviously, of course, if you're trying to sell these cards, it's going to be a lot harder. You're never going to make $67.84 because some of these are, they don't want to sell them because you got like 12-cent cards, 7-cent cards. A lot of these are like bulk, but still, if you just think about the raw value of the cards in and of themselves, like if I wanted to buy all of these cards, I would pay $67.84 plus shipping and handling if for whatever reason I needed to buy these for decks or something like that. So that's actually not that bad. And we did get a bunch of other bulk. We got some lands and some tokens. So there's probably a couple uncommons in here that are worth like more than $1. So that's pretty good. And yeah, we got to open the boxes. So I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, see you guys around later.